So we're in the middle of a manhole rehab project. This project involves 149 manholes that we're rehabbing. This is in an area where we're experiencing a lot of stormwater or groundwater that's getting into the sewer system. One is mixing the cementitious material. The other is inside the manhole with a sprayer, and he sprays the interior wall of the manhole, and this seals the manhole from allowing inflow from getting in and getting into the system. We know we need to keep it maintained for the quality of life of our residents. This is just one effort here with this project.